Yo. So, back out in it. I'm gonna have to stop wearing these bloody high-vis shirts because they blow the all the lighting out. I'll have to find something different to wear. Alright, I don't think I can make it any better. So from what you saw last time, when I scalped it down, it probably doesn't look that much different because immediately after the mow it still looks pretty green. The next morning it went completely white and brown because I had scalped it from say 25 mil to 8, which was too much, but that's one way of getting down low. So today I'm going to give it a little bit of probably a charity mow. I don't think a whole lot's going to come off, but it is getting a little bit greener, and the ryegrass is nearly, a lot of it's gone. I'm not going to say that it's all gone, but yeah. So I think I'll backlap the mower because I noticed the quality of the cut wasn't too good. See, it was starting to tear the blade instead of cut it. So I'll backlap it and then adjust it. I don't think I'll get that much sand in the reel from now on. So we'll see if I can get away without sharpening it. But yeah, quick adjustment and backlap. So I've got my backlapping paste. I think it's just like some sort of water-based grip and a brush with a tube. I think I just bought that off of eBay a few years ago. I've probably backlapped the mower maybe, I don't know, 6 times in 3 years, 4 years. Probably should do it more. Alright, so we just want to tighten this blade down so it's contacting, just ever so slightly. I've definitely tagged the reel on something and it's not lined up, so I probably should do the regrind, but I don't know, I'll see what happens. I can't be stuffed. Righty, so 19 mil drill bit on the shaft, run the drill forwards and the blade will go backwards. Then you just drip this stuff all over it while you're doing it. And because I'm soft and I hate loud noises. Okay, so before we can do anything, I've got a edge, then blow, then we can mow. All right, that's that. Pretty quick one today because there's not much happening. When you're waiting for it to fill in, it can feel like forever. So, and also because I sprayed that ryegrass out, a lot of that has gone brown and a lot of the bare areas are showing up. Yeah. So I just got to hang in there, and I know it won't be long and it'll look glorious. Alrighty, so that's that. We'll have something different coming up soon, I guess. I don't know. I'll work something out, but yeah, cheers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.